In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom code to your Wix website. If you've ever wanted to install analytics, a chat widget, a pixel, or any third-party tool that provides a small snippet of code, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to put it inside your Wix dashboard. Before we start, make sure you have your code snippet handy and that it comes from a trusted source. First, sign in to your Wix dashboard for the site you want to edit. On the left-hand side, look for the settings option. It sits in the main sidebar and opens a page with all the controls that affect your site behind the scenes. Go ahead and click Settings. Once you're on the settings page, scroll all the way down. The option you're looking for lives near the bottom of this page, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Take your time and scroll until you reach the section that includes advanced controls. Next, click Custom Code. This is the dedicated area where Wix lets you manage external scripts and code snippets. It's designed to keep things organized, so you don't have to dig into your site's templates or pages manually. If you've never used it before, this page may be empty, which is perfectly normal. Here's an important note. Adding custom code is a premium feature in Wix. If your site isn't on a premium plan yet, you'll see an option to upgrade. Click Upgrade now to choose a plan that supports custom code. Take a moment to pick the plan that fits your needs and confirm the correct site is selected before you complete the upgrade. Upgrading unlocks the custom code feature so your scripts can run across your site as intended. If your site is already on a premium plan, you can proceed right away. Click Add Custom Code. From here, Wix will guide you through the process of adding your snippet. Have your code ready to paste. Double check that it's complete and make sure it's provided by a reputable service. As a best practice, keep your code snippets organized and label them clearly so you can recognize them later. If you ever need to troubleshoot, clear naming makes it much easier to review or temporarily disable a script. That's it. You navigated to Settings, scrolled to the bottom, opened the custom code area, confirmed your premium access, and started adding your snippet. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish, and give your site a quick check afterward to make sure everything loads the way you expect. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the added flexibility that custom code brings to your Wix website.